In this session, I will show you how to generate a paycheck for employees who are paid by checks, and to generate statements for employees who are paid through direct deposit. The program to generate a paycheck or direct deposit statement is under payroll processing pull down menu, and it's called check direct deposit statement. This program is capable of printing checks or direct deposit statement. For this exercise, we're going to enter the pay period end date of January 14th. We enter the pay period end date in this field, and we enter the employee date range that we are generating the checks for, or generating the direct deposit statement. Here we select whether we are generating the paycheck or we are generating a direct deposit statement. We cannot run them at the same time. They need to be run separately. So for this exercise, we're going to generate checks. So we select check, and then we select the print option. In here, the program also has the functionality to reprint existing paychecks. So for this exercise, we're going to use print. And this field is asking whether we are printing check for direct deposit. This program has the functionality to be able to print checks for employees who are regularly paid through direct deposit. This is very useful when something like an employee requests a paycheck instead of a direct deposit, and they are set up to be paid through direct deposit. For this case, we're not going to select that one because we're going to print check. Here we enter the bank that we're paying the payroll out from. We select bank 1, and the program will automatically gives us the next check number that will be printed on the check. After we have provided this information, we can enter the date for the check. You can accept the default, which is usually the current date. The checks can also be sorted in 4 different ways: by crew department, by crew department last name, and department employee. This sort option is only available when you are printing checks. When you are reprinting, the program won't be able to sort it in any option you select. It will always default to the recent sort that you have selected when you have printed a check. After we have provided all these parameters, then we go and click on this execute button, and we can select the printer that we're sending these checks to. For this exercise, we're going to select screen because we want to see the checks being generated. So for this one, I'm going to select destination screen, and after we selected the destination, we click on the run. It says it processed employee 201, and this is the check that was generated. So these are the earnings, and this is the stub, and the bottom one is the actual check, and again this is the second stub. This concludes our tutorial on how to generate check or pay statement for direct deposit employees.